Hey guys, so today I am here with 5 lunch ideas. These could also be eaten for dinner as well if you want. All of these meals that I'm going to show you guys are really affordable. They're easy to make, and the best part is that they are super quick. All of them are 15 minutes max from start to finish. Very filling, really tasty vegan meals that don't take a lot of time. And so this video is being made in partnership with Thrive Market. I just got my Thrive shipment in. I placed a really big order, and some of the stuff I just received, I'm going to be using it in this video to make my dishes. And for those of you that have been watching my food videos over the past couple of years, then you know that I have been using Thrive for a really long time. But for anyone that may be new here, or if you just don't know much about Thrive, it's basically an online membership-based market that makes healthy eating and healthy living affordable. So the price for the items on the Thrive site is what keeps me coming back. I get a lot of my specialty vegan stuff from Thrive, and I save so much money compared to what I would spend if I go to a store like Whole Foods. And they have high quality, non-GMO stuff. Most of their items are organic, and I really love how easy it is to sort by whatever values or diet you have. So whether you're looking for stuff that's paleo, keto, gluten-free, BPA-free, whatever that is, it makes it easy to sort by your values. And I personally, every time I order from Thrive, I try out some new snacks. So this go round, I got these cookies. I've been eating on these. I just got this box yesterday. I've been eating on these chocolate chip ones, and they are really good. And I also got these cinnamon cookies that I haven't opened yet, but this box is almost gone already. Got some snacks for the kids. Got my Bean Fields chips. These are so good, and of course they're plant-based. I love these chips. Got some new sauces I'm really excited to try out. So yeah, I really like Thrive Market. You guys should definitely check them out. They do have 2 membership options, and the first one I feel is it's good if you just want to see if it's a good fit for you, and that's the 1-month membership for $9.95 a month. And then they have the 12-month membership, which is only $5 a month. So you can choose from those 2, and then on top of that, they are offering a free gift with every sign up. So you can take advantage of that deal by clicking the link. I will have it right down below in the description box. And that, my friends, is pretty much that. Let's go ahead and jump right into my quick 15-minute or less meals. Alright, so first up I have a really easy pasta salad. For my pasta, I'm using these organic noodles. Put them into a pot of water and I let them boil for about 10 minutes until the pasta is tender. Also gonna have some bread on the side, and I'm going with this baguette. This only takes 7 minutes in the oven, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in. Now while the pasta and bread are cooking, I'm slicing up some cherry tomatoes, which are gonna go into my pasta salad. Also these green olives, which I got from Thrive Market, and I really like these because they're not extremely salty like some brands tend to be. They're really good. And now that my noodles are cooked, I'm draining them and then blasting with some cold water to quickly cool them down. Throw them into a bowl along with the tomatoes, green olives, also put some black olives in there, and some baby spinach. Then taking this oil and vinegar vinaigrette, I'm pouring that in. Adding a little kick with red pepper flakes, give it a mix, and the pasta is complete. I'm going ahead and adding the bread on the side, and this tastes so good and fresh. And the best part is this is even better the next day. For my second lunch idea, I have a hummus quesadilla. I'm using this extra spicy 3-pepper hummus because I like it hot. But of course you can use whatever hummus you prefer. Add some of that to a flour tortilla and spread it out. I'm taking this almost all the way to the edge, not quite. Then I'm placing on some fresh spinach and sliced mushrooms. Cover it with another tortilla, and then I'm taking that over to a hot pan, which I had coated with a teeny bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna grab a pot and use that to press down on the quesadilla. And this is gonna give it a nice grilled, crisp surface. Hold that down for about a minute or 2, and then flip it over and press down again until the underside is browned as well. And it's done. Cut it in 4s and we get this. So along with the quesadilla, I'm adding some fruit on the side, a little sweetness to balance out the spicy. I got oranges, blueberries, and raspberries. These quesadillas are super tasty. They're really easy to make and they're filling without being heavy thanks to the mushrooms inside. Next up, we have a burrito bowl.
So first up, I'm making this rice pack. This only takes 90 seconds to cook, as you can see. So I went ahead and popped that into the microwave. Then I have my black beans, and I love these black bean packs. They're so convenient. They're already cooked, and I didn't even heat these up. I'm just adding in some taco seasoning and mixing it in. And now I'm gonna construct my bowl. I have my rice, my seasoned black beans, shredded lettuce blend, and some corn I had left over. Of course, we cannot have a burrito bowl without salsa, so I'm using this one, which is really yummy. Sliced avocado, and I'm putting a tortilla on the side just in case I want to throw everything in there and wrap it up. Finish it all off with a sprinkling of salt and pepper, and that is our quick burrito bowl. Which brings us to lunch idea number 4. First things first, I'm taking some fresh broccoli and putting it on the stove. I'm going to steam this for about 7 minutes, and while that's on, I'm going to make the rest. So now I'm using this quinoa quick cup. This is a new find for me from Thrive. It's fully cooked. You just stir this artichoke and pepper mixture with the quinoa. So I did that, and then I'm going to top it with this mixture that I also got from Thrive, which has seasoned jackfruit, chickpeas, and spinach. This heats up in about 90 seconds in the microwave. Place that right on top, and then I'm adding in my steamed broccoli, which I tossed with melted vegan butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, green onions, and sesame seeds on top to bring it all together, and bada bing, bada boom, lunch is served. Last up on the menu, we have a teriyaki noodle stir fry. For my noodles, I'm using this rice ramen. Throw those into a pot of water, and I'm going to boil these for 4 minutes. Nothing complicated here. Next, I'm adding some olive oil to a skillet, and then I'm using this stir fry mix. I actually ran this under some hot water first to get the freeze off of it, and then I'm popping that right into the pan. Cook until tender. This takes about 3 minutes or so, and then add in the ramen noodles. And I'm flavoring it with this teriyaki sauce, pouring in a nice heaping of that. Add in some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna mix it all together. And then, because I just love green onions, I'm topping with those and some sesame seeds. Bringing back a piece of that baguette bread to have on the side. And this is actually one of my go-to meals lately. I've been eating this teriyaki stir fry quite a lot because of how quick and easy it is to whip up, and of course it tastes really good as well.
And that is pretty much it. So those were my 5 lunch/dinner meal ideas. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much guys for watching as always, and I'll catch up with you soon on my next video. Peace.